Hey guys, today I thought I would do a video with my normal voice, and I don't really know what I want to eat today, but I just drove by Meatsause and I thought, why not? So I got myself a, guess what? Some garlic bread. It smells really good and it's very hot. I'm gonna try it. Actually, this is my first time getting food by Meatsause. It was very good. Warm bread is just the best. Salt, and there we go. I got spaghetti with a meat sauce. It smells so good. I'm really hungry, guys. The last time I ate was like, I don't know, like 5 hours ago. It's still hot. Thanks God. I can't wait to try it. Oh my God, I'm so messy. Oh my God, this is so good. I didn't expect it would be so good. It smells really like you prepared this at home, you know? I was driving now, guys, and it's getting so beautiful outside. It's just awesome. Autumn is really my favorite season of the year. It's just the best. Some bread missing. I like the sauce very much. It's really good. I'm always getting messy. I don't know what's wrong, but this one is really good. There's so many variations of spaghetti you can choose, and I think I'm gonna be doing spaghetti only in my next 10 videos. Just kidding, but I really love spaghetti. By the way, as I went to the Universal Studios, I got myself Flaming Mo from the Simpsons part, you know. I'm a really big fan of Simpsons, and I want to try it now because, oh my god. Oh, what was that? Okay. It looks really nice. It has a pink color. It's good. It has a kind of taste of cherry Fanta, something like that. Okay, let's go back to spaghetti. I hope you guys eating with me now, and I hope you're enjoying your food. Let me know what you're eating, if you are. I'm not sure if this is an SMR video, but I just thought I would try something new. I hope it's still relaxing, at least a bit. I love eating with you guys. Anyways, the bread is really good. I need more of it. It's so much sauce. So as you can see, I already finished my plate and it was just delicious. It was very awesome. I want to go back and definitely try some other spaghetti because it was really good. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was nice to see you.